This rotary switch is not working. We open because no work, no giving output power. That's why we open this. This chiller on off switch. We try to check one by one. It was there like this, then this, then this, and this, and then this. Okay. We will clean this carbon copper plate, then we will try again. Here is I have opened the carbon spring and carbon base. This is carbon base. This copper, not carbon thing, copper plate. If I clean or this, then it may work. Now it is closed, NC, now it's NC position. If I push this, then it will be open, the light. Okay, understand? Now it is open, now close, contact. So this is both are now contact. And when this white plate move this gear, then it is open, and now it is closed position, NC. Okay. Now we will clean this carbon both side, and also this side, because it's showing not good. Look, it's showing not good, not by clean. To keep this spring, it is difficult, because when it is both connector open, then it will be easy to set up the spring. Now it's clean. Now I will check the connector or switch by look, this is one push and second. input or output input. The connectivity we check. So now we change. And showing beep. Okay, that means our switch is now okay. Previous was not connected. Now fitted the main power isolator switch. Chiller. Kansa industrial chiller switch. Now it is okay. We use another one because it was getting problem. That's why we set another one. Okay, after machine stop, we will connect some setup. We will connect setup. Thanks for watching.